Alright, time for some fun. We set up our playground, installed tools, and even grabbed our API key. But here comes the question. Now, how do we actually build an AI agent? Well, just like in video games, you get to choose your difficulty level. Easy mode, no code. Medium mode, low code. Hard mode, pro code. Let's break these down so you know which one fits you best. Now, no code means you don't need to type programming codes. Instead, you use drag and drop tools or builders that look like apps. Kid-friendly analogy. Think of it like Minecraft creative mode. You don't need to craft recipes. You display blocks directly. Examples of no-code tools: Glamour.ai, OpenAI GPT Builder, Zapier/Make.com. What's it great for? Quick agents like a homework helper GPT, easy prototypes to show friends, beginners who want results fast. Low code means you use some code, but the platform does most of the heavy lifting. Now, where was that? Analogy. It's like Lego set with instructions. Examples of low-code tools: Replit, write short Python scripts. Google Colab, run code in your browser. LangChain, simple level, connects LLMs with pre-built blocks and few lines of codes. What's it great for? Kids who want to learn coding slowly, customizing agents beyond the basics, fun school projects. Pro code, full power mode. Pro code means you write the whole thing in programming languages, mostly Python. It's like survival mode in Minecraft. You collect, you craft, and build everything from scratch. Examples: LangChain, advanced. Crew AI, AutoGen. What's it great for? Advanced projects. Teens who love coding and want full freedom. Projects that could become real apps or businesses. But don't worry, you don't have to start here. Many pros began with no code or low code before moving up. Move. So, how do you choose? If you want quick one, start with no code. If you're curious about coding, go with low code. If you love coding and you want to be a pro dev, go with pro code. It's a cool part. You don't have to stick with one. You can start in easy mode and level up as you learn. Now, mini project. Build your first AI agent. Alright, enough talking. Let's build our very first agent together. A hello agent that replies to your name. I'll show you how this looks in all three styles. No code versions: Glamour or OpenAI Custom GPT. Step: go to Glamour.ai or ChatGPT Custom GPT Builder. Create new agent in the instruction style. When someone says their name, reply with hello, bracket name, bracket close, comma, nice to meet you, exclamation mark. Example: my name is Alex. Agent will be like, hello Alex, nice to meet you. Low code version: Replit, a Python. Name equals input, what's your name? Print hello plus name plus nice to meet you. Demo: you type Sarah. Output: hello Sarah, nice to meet you. Now, pro code. From OpenAI, import OpenAI client equals OpenAI API keys, and this is the thing. Demo: I am Max. Agent: hey Max, great to meet you. Ready for some AI magic today? See the difference? Don't worry if you think I can't do this, but you want good. So start with low, then keep going. And just like that, you've built your very first agent. It may be small, but this is the same foundation used in building big agents. Today it says hello. Tomorrow it could manage your homework, plan your birthday, or even run a mini business for you. Remember, no code, fast start. Low code, balance of fun plus learning. Pro code, ultimate power. Whatever you choose, you're officially an agent builder now.